Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox this dlink router and which is DIR825 and which comes with 3-year warranty. It's a basically dual band router, AC1200 Wi-Fi gigabit router. So it covers up to 1200 gigabits, I mean 1200 Gbps. So let's unbox this and see the contents what inside in this box. So I'm going to unbox this router. Here in this router we are getting 1200 Gbps speed, and it's a dual band as I already said, and it's a gigabit Ethernet ports. We are also getting internet ports which is a LAN port, and the quality is the best quality the router, and also we are getting a USB 2.0 port in this router, also a WPS button. So let's see what are the contents inside this router. So here it is. Here I am getting quick installation guide about how to install this router. Every instructions about how to install is written over here, and also an installation card in which you are getting your Wi-Fi username and password, the default username and password, and warranty and safety information guide. So let's check the contents. Here I am getting the router which is having 4 bands which will cover maximum area, and yeah, so this is what the router is. And also I am getting one Ethernet cable through which I can connect this to the computer through this router, and also a power adapter which gives power to this router. So let's just quickly set up this router, and I'll show you how to set up this router in your computer. So here this is the main internet port. You have to connect the LAN cable here through which you are getting internet, and here there are 4 ports of LAN through which you can connect different computers, and also you can USB port beside internet cable port. And this is the power. This is the thing where you can connect your power adapter, and this is a power button. And here you'll be getting a WPS button and Wi-Fi button. So I am connecting this power cable here, and also I am connecting my internet cable in the main port. Also I am connecting this PC. Also I am connecting this Ethernet cable through which I can set up this router in my personal computer. So just connect anywhere of any. So just connect in between any of the port, and yeah, you will see a series of LEDs blinking here. So let's just quickly go to my PC and complete the setup.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Discontent, I'm finally facing it all, fearless. frustrated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live.